Right now, a completely new type of content is starting to explode on YouTube. Channels that look like wildlife documentaries filmed from the animal's own point of view are suddenly getting thousands, sometimes even millions of views. And the surprising part is that many of these channels are very new. Some of them have uploaded only a few videos, yet their content is already reaching huge audiences. The reason these videos perform so well is simple. They show something people rarely get to see: the hidden world inside an animal's home. Imagine placing a tiny camera on an animal and watching the world exactly from its perspective. You can see how it enters its underground burrow, how it moves through tunnels, and how it survives inside its natural habitat. For viewers, this feels like watching a mini wildlife documentary, which makes the videos extremely engaging. And here is something even more interesting. Most of these videos are not filmed in real life. They are actually created using AI tools. The clips you are seeing on the screen right now are also AI generated, examples that I created myself. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these viral animal POV videos using AI. So let's start the process. The first thing you need is the master prompt. I will place the link to the master prompt in the description. Inside this prompt, everything is already structured for you. It contains 6 different scenes, and each scene represents a different stage of the animal's journey. For example, the first scene shows a researcher attaching a tiny camera to the animal. The second scene shows the animal entering its underground burrow. The third scene shows the animal moving deeper through its tunnel system. The next scenes explore what happens inside the habitat. So all the storytelling is already prepared. All you need to do is open the prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, simply click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of 15 different animals to choose from. For example, in this tutorial, I'm choosing animal number 9, ant colony worker. After selecting it, ChatGPT automatically generates 6 scene prompts for the video. Each prompt describes what should happen in the scene. Now we need to turn these prompts into visuals. For that, we can use a free AI image tool called ImageFX. Simply log into ImageFX with your Google account. Then copy the first prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into ImageFX. Select the 9:16 vertical format and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will create a realistic image of the scene. Repeat the same process for the next prompt, and another image will be generated. But today, we are not stopping at images. We want to create actual videos. For that, we will use a tool called Google Flow AI. Flow AI is a powerful AI tool from Google that can generate videos directly from text prompts. After logging in, the platform gives you free credits, which you can use to generate videos. First, click Create. Then open the video section. Select Portrait Format, and then choose the next video option. Now you have 2 choices. You can upload an image, or generate a video directly from a text prompt. In this case, we will use text to video. So I copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate. The system will now start creating the video. Usually it takes around 3 to 4 minutes. After a short wait, the first video appears. You can clearly see the researcher attaching a small camera to the animal before it enters its burrow. Now repeat the same process. Copy the next prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the next scene. After a few minutes, the second video will show the animal entering its underground home. Then generate the third scene, which shows the animal moving through its tunnels. The results look surprisingly realistic and visually engaging. If you run out of credits, there is a simple solution. Just log out and sign in again using another Gmail account, and you will receive new credits. Once all the scenes are generated, simply download the clips. Then open any editing software such as CapCut, import the clips, arrange them in order, add some background music or transitions, and your video is ready. You can also add voiceover if you want, but many viral channels upload these videos without narration, and they still perform very well. And just like that, you can create your own AI animal documentary videos. Right now, this niche is trending, and many new creators are entering this space. If you start now and upload videos consistently, there is a strong chance your channel can start gaining traction very quickly. So start experimenting with different animals, different environments, and different story ideas, because your next upload might be the one that goes viral. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.